come back again with Learning Thai with Tuk today, and today I would like to talk about this word. That word is king. K-I-N-G, king. King in English, but in Thai we say นายหลวงหรือพ่อหลวงนายหลวงหรือพ่อหลวง but when you open for like Google search for it and in a very formal way you can find it like พระมหากษัตริย์พระมหากษัตริย์ that is very formal way but normally for Thai people when we say to our king or we call our king we say พ่อหลวงหรือนายหลวงพ่อหลวงหรือนายหลวง that is why we say like that in informal way because we love our king very much especially for me I grow up and I can see how King Rama IX our beloved king did a lot for our Thai people here for have a very good and better well-being in Thailand. So I would like and I feel gratitude a lot to him. So one more time together with me, king in English, in Thai we say พ่อหลวงหรือนายหลวงพ่อหลวงหรือนายหลวงพ่อหลวง or นายหลวง Okay, thank you very much for watching and if you have any question or any comment just leave me the comment and I will answer you back as soon as possible. Thank you very much and see you soon. Bye bye.